Does your core feel soft, weak, or almost disconnected after birth? Like no matter how much you try to engage it, it doesn't respond? You are not imagining it. Pregnancy changes your muscles, your ligaments, even the way you breathe. But the good news, you can fix it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. After both my pregnancies, I remember touching my stomach and thinking, this doesn't even feel like mine anymore. My core felt soft, hollow and disconnected. I couldn't even sit up straight without feeling the strain near my scar. If you felt that way, you're not alone. Every mom goes through this version of life. In this video, I'll explain you why your core feels so weak, what's really happening inside your body, and then I'll show you a few gentle exercises to help you reconnect and rebuild safely. Why your core feels weak. Muscles stretched and separated. During pregnancy, your growing belly stretches your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, and sometimes these two sides separate. This is called diastasis recti. Your pelvic floor also takes on extra pressure. Imagine it's like a hammock holding everything together. Over time, it weakens too. So after birth, both your front and bottom layers of support are compromised and your belly feels unstable. That's why your core can feel like a jelly. Hormonal shift and ligament laxity. There's this hormone relaxin. It softens your ligaments during pregnancy so that your body can stretch for birth. The thing about relaxin, it doesn't just disappear, it stays for months postpartum. That's why even basic movements can feel unstable and wobbly. Your joints, hips and lower back are literally looser than before. Breathing pattern changes, and then comes the one thing most moms never realize. Your breathing pattern changes during pregnancy. As your belly grows, your diaphragm can't move freely. You start breathing shallow from your chest instead of deep from your belly. That breathing pattern stays with you after birth, and your core muscles forget how to switch naturally. So if you've tried workouts and felt nothing engaging, that's why. Now let me show you how to fix your weak core. We start by reprogramming the way you breathe, because breath is the foundation of core strength. Lie on your back, knees bent and feet flat. One hand on your chest, one on your belly. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Feel your belly rise, not your chest. As you exhale, gently draw your belly button in and up, like you're zipping up a tight pair of jeans. That's your deep core, the transverse abdominis activating. Do 10 slow breaths like this every day and you'll start rebuilding your core connection. Posture reset. The next thing we need to fix is your posture. Most moms spend hours feeding, rocking, or leaning forward. And that posture shuts off your core completely. Here's how to reset. Sit or stand tall. Imagine a string gently pulling you at the top of your head towards the ceiling. Relax your shoulders and gently tuck your ribs over your hips, not flared out. Now take a deep breath here. Feel how your body aligns. This alignment turns your core on automatically even when you're standing in the kitchen or holding your baby. Let's put it all together in a 2-minute mini routine so that you can do it every morning. Start with 5 deep core breaths. Add 5 T-waist activations. Hold each for 3 seconds. Finish with 3 posture resets, seated or standing. It might look like simple, but this is how you rebuild from the inside out. You're retraining your brain to connect with your muscles again. Your core didn't weaken overnight and it won't rebuild overnight either. But every breath, every gentle activation is a step closer to feeling stronger, stable and confident again. If you found this helpful, save this video, start this mini routine daily. And if you're struggling with diastasis recti or abdominal separation, my next video will show you exactly how to start healing it safely. I'll see you there, and remember, slow progress is still progress.